What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are entering this place known as Eureka camping park, where I brought some friends, and I have some friends here. Number one, this guy is not new on my channel.
Hey.
Matthews.
Matthews 08.
That's him, guys. We also have Rafael the Traveler, and of course we have Anne. Anne is a guest coming all the way from Russia. Okay, and of course this is her son. He's very camera shy. So make sure if you are new on my channel, subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. Then I'll also tell you in due course her YouTube channel. I'll get to introduce Matthews, who is not new. You already know his channel. So let's go. We are entering inside to show you. Yeah. So let's go inside the Eureka farm, guys. Some small monkeys. The monkeys are normally small. These are, is it velvet monkey? Something like this. So my name is Traveltainment, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Traveltainment. And my new friend here, she's new. I'm going to put the link to her YouTube channel below. Her name is Anne.
Hi.
Anne, where are you from? Tell them.
I'm from Russia, from Moscow.
She's from Moscow, Russia. And take a look where Anne is, and look where I brought her. Behind her, we see a picture together with she's appearing in the same frame with the giraffe behind. And take out your camera. I want you to capture the... They are not dangerous. They are. You don't get too close. They try to defend themselves. Just maintain, just there we are okay. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. In fact, you are closer than I expected. You guys don't listen. Just come. Let them turn. These are generally friendly animals.
Kind of friendly.
But
Короче, в джунгле и смотрим разные африканские животные.
So you see, these are zebras, guys, here at the Eureka. Can I give you this one all the same? You try your luck.
I'm not sure, but let's see if it's gonna work out.
Remember, this is a very... Guys, is this beautiful? Do you love the zebras? So I'm with Rafael. Say hi.
Hello guys, how you doing?
He's not new on my channel. He's been in before. And then we have this one is
Matthews 08.
He is like the second admin of the Traveltainment YouTube channel. And of course Anne. And what is your name? How do?
Oh, he's shy.
She's camera shy, don't worry.
Camera shy.
He's
young.
Yes. Okay, these are my visitors, guys, from Russia. But the interesting one is this guy there. Last time I remember I had a new camera and I was showing this guy at close range. So this is the giraffe. Hey guys, what's up? I'm at the Eureka farm. I want to show you. Take a look very closely at the zebra here at the Eureka. Let me zoom it for you. Zebra, where are you?
This is a giraffe.
Oh, not zebra, guys. This is a giraffe. I meant the giraffe is here. Giraffe is here, guys, and it has got a partner. The friend is somewhere there. Yes, that's the friend there, guys. I hope you can see. All right, guys. Thank you. See you in the next one. That's it, guys. So, for now, so that's the giraffe, guys.
Я стараюсь поближе вам показать.
Oh, this is where they even come to drink water. Look, guys.
I will 10 minutes, tell one lane, I'll beat you.
I see. So here they even put them water for them to drink. There's even a floater there so that when it is filled up, it closes. Water for these animals to drink. And then, of course, these are chalets. If you want to spend a night here, you can sleep here. Yeah.
This is my first time of seeing a giraffe.
Ah,
Vis-a-vis.
don't tell me.
Yes.
Come on, beauty. Where are you running? We need to take a video of you. What's your problem? Let's pass through here. Come on, beauty. Guys, can you see company? There is a giraffe there and another one here. These two guys are mates. Yes, there's one here. Okay.
Some zoo and park like this. There are horse farm and horse riding schools also.
Oh, and also a lot of horse riding. Eh?
It's popular.
Have you ever rode on a horse in Russia? Oh, okay.
Смотри, хорошо. Импалу, вон стоит и шестая.
Are they not going to run away?
Yes, they will, but it's okay.
How do I capture them? Huh? Okay.
Take a look, they are running. Let's get closer a little bit because this.
I see that. It's a little interesting as well to see.
Which one?
Those two over there, they're very clever. They don't want people to watch. Why are they running away? Hey guys, come here. I'm going to see you here. Oh,
Run away.
Where are you running? Stop running. We want to see you.
take a
These the impalas, the most popular wild animals I think we have in Zambia, maybe in Africa. Yeah. So you see why I was avoiding that we come through the, so there are others, so others are somehow maybe just here, but because I avoided us using the bush. I'm tempted to fly a drone here. We go.
It's a that energy of flying a drone.
We paid, yes.
Well,
Oh.